All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to go ahead and show you the TUDIA MergeGrip for the OnePlus 13. Now, this is a military grade drop tested case. It's a dual layer, shockproof, slim, heavy duty, tough case. Now, they have sent over some different colors here. They sent the green lily, and then they sent this pine green. It's kind of like a military green. So the good thing about the TUDIA cases right now, they're 20% off. So as a coupon, you hit that link in the description, grab you 20% off. You can actually get these with MagSafe compatibility or without MagSafe compatibility. So you choose. You get 15% off if you choose the MagSafe kind, and you get 20% off if you choose the regular kind. So make sure when you go in the link in the description, you make that switch. It'll probably default to basic, but this is the packaging it comes in. Now, oddly enough, looks like they might have sent just the basic ones. Yeah, they just sent the basic ones. They didn't send over the MagSafe joints. Let's check this one. Yeah, these are just the basic joints. So this phone, the OnePlus does have MagSafe compatibility if you're using certain cases and stuff like that from different manufacturers. But here they are. Instantly right out the rip, I'd always recommend, if you saw me take this apart, I always recommend that you buy 2 cases so you can have different colors. I think it's nice to do it like this instead of being boring. Don't just be boring. So you get a front like this. Ooh, look at that. That's clean, folks. Always having like a compatibility. And also, if you get the ones without the MagSafe and you buy a case from OnePlus, they give you that extra piece in there just in case. Because I have it in mind, even I don't need it with this phone when I'm wearing the case. But yeah, there it is, man. So that is the minty green lily, and then combined with the alpine green, I mean, you're getting greatness here. And this will work with wireless charging, even though you don't have like the MagSafe, it'll still do wireless charging on any wireless charger. So depending on what front you like on here with the dark green, or you can keep it solid green. I just think that, man, if you're gonna do it, get 2 of these cases, man, and mix and match, and you can have a nice combination of cases, and they just snap right apart like this. See how quickly I'm popping these apart? Just like that. You can always do it like that. And now I'm just all alpine green and the green lily. Very nice. So you can see the branding in the inside here, the TUDIA brand. This is kind of like a soft touch, hard plastic type deal. Lots of grip all over the case. Obviously, this is the TUDIA MergeGrip. And then you got a little branding right there. All your ports and everything are going to be lined up perfectly fine. Make sure these ports are lined up because this phone has a lot of sensors on it. So make sure that these ports are lined up. And it actually looks really good with either one of these colors. It comes in 5 colors. So you got the green lily, you got the pine green, you got the black, which is, a lot of people will probably buy the black one. Then you got your indigo blue, and then you got this smoke pink. It's like a fuchsia. And the smoke pink one and the indigo one come with like different colors on here. It's already two-tone. Like the indigo one comes with a black insert in here. And then the smoked pink one comes with like this darker maroon looking on top of the pink. Those are fly already. Ladies, if you want to get that pink one, you already got a nice two-tone case. And you still can get another case or whatever to swap them out. But ultimately, in the end, man, 20% off for the versions like this. And if you want the MagSafe versions, when you click on the link, make sure you check right above where it says basic, click on MagSafe compatibility, and it'll switch to the version for that one, and then you get 15% off of that. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Wow. I will see you guys in the next video. Shout out to TUDIA for hooking up the cases, and y'all take care.